Baking a cake feels like magic. You take basic ingredients most people have in their pantry, flour, sugar, eggs, and mix them in just the right way to create something warm, fluffy, and perfect. But where do you even begin? It starts with prep. Always. The one mistake everyone makes is underestimating how important it is to preheat your oven. Never skip this. A perfect 350 degrees Celsius means your cake starts cooking evenly from the moment it goes in. Next, gather your ingredients. This isn't just about having them, it's about having them ready before you start. Misplaced vanilla extract mid-mix? Game over. Trust me, I've learned the hard way. Here's the lineup. 2 cups of flour, 1/5 cups of sugar, 1 cup of butter, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 cup of milk. Classic, the kind your grandma probably made. Now, attention to detail is what separates, wow, this is good from, oh my god, did you bake this? Cream your butter and sugar properly. That means mixing it until light and fluffy, like 2 whole minutes. Don't rush it. The eggs go in next, but here's the trick. Add them one at a time. Why? Because this ensures everything combines smoothly. If you throw all 3 in at once, you're risking a curdled mess. No one wants that. Dry ingredients come in now, but not all at once. Alternate adding the flour and milk. Half stir, half stir. This keeps the batter silky, lump-free, and bake-ready. Baking powder works best when evenly distributed. Pro tip, don't forget the vanilla extract. I repeat, do not forget the vanilla extract. It's a tiny teaspoon, but the flavor difference is astronomical. People will low-key think there's a secret ingredient. There is. It's attention. Here's a rookie mistake to avoid: overmixing. Once that final ingredient stirs in and the batter looks smooth, stop. Overmixing activates the gluten in the flour, turning fluffy potential into dense regret. Pour your batter evenly into the greased or parchment-lined pan. Give the pan a little shake or tap it gently on the counter. This helps even out the batter and pops any random air bubbles lurking inside. Into the oven it goes, but don't keep opening the door. Every time you peek, the temperature drops and your cake suffers. Set a timer for 30 minutes and distract yourself like you're trying not to text your ex. Once your timer dings, test it with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, congrats, you nailed it. If not, give it 5 more minutes and check again. Patience wins here every single time. And here's the real secret. Let it cool, completely. Frosting a hot cake is like painting a wet wall. It's going to look like a crime scene. Once cooled, frost as you wish, slice, and enjoy becoming everyone's favorite person.